everyone! Have you heard about AI crypto? It's one of the hottest topics in technology right now. Today, I'm going to explain what AI crypto is in the simplest way possible. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious, this video is for you. Let's dive in. What is AI? First, let's understand AI, artificial intelligence. Think of AI as a smart computer brain that can learn and make decisions just like humans do. Examples you already use? When Netflix recommends movies you might like. When your phone recognizes your face to unlock. When you talk to Siri or Alexa. AI is everywhere, making our lives easier. What is crypto? Now, what is crypto? Crypto means cryptocurrency, digital money that exists only on the internet. Think of it like this. Regular money equals paper bills in your wallet. Crypto equals digital coins in your phone or computer. The most famous crypto is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Crypto works on something called blockchain. Imagine a digital notebook that everyone can see, but nobody can erase or cheat. Every transaction is recorded forever. What is AI crypto? So, what happens when we combine AI and crypto? We get AI crypto. AI crypto means cryptocurrencies that use artificial intelligence to become smarter and more powerful. Here's how it works. 1. Smart trading. AI can analyze millions of data points in seconds and help make better trading decisions. It's like having a super smart financial advisor that never sleeps. 2. Better security. AI protects crypto from hackers by detecting suspicious activities and stopping fraud before it happens. 3. Automated systems. AI can run crypto projects automatically, making decisions, fixing problems, and improving performance without human help. 4. Creating AI services. Some AI crypto projects let you use powerful AI tools by paying with their cryptocurrency. Want to use advanced AI? Just pay with tokens. Popular AI crypto examples? Let me give you some real examples. Fetch.ai, F-E-T. Imagine tiny AI robots that can book appointments, find the best prices, or arrange deliveries for you. That's what Fetch.ai does. SingularityNET.ag, AGIX. This is like a marketplace where anyone can buy or sell AI services using cryptocurrency. The Graph.grt. Think of it as Google for blockchain. It helps find and organize crypto data using AI. Render.RNDR. Artists and creators can use AI to make amazing 3D graphics by renting computer power with crypto tokens. So you might ask, why should I care about AI crypto? For the future, AI is getting smarter every day. Crypto is becoming more popular. Together, they can create amazing new technologies. For everyone, makes AI accessible to everyone, not just big companies. Creates new job opportunities. Could change how we use money and technology. Real-world uses? Smart healthcare systems, automatic supply chains, personalized education, better financial services. The possibilities are endless. Things to remember. Before you jump in, remember, do your research. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Always learn before you buy. It's still new. AI crypto is very new technology. It's exciting, but also risky. Scams exist. Be careful. Many fake projects claim to be AI crypto. Always verify. Start small. If you want to try, start with a small amount just to learn. The crypto world can be confusing, but understanding the basics helps you make smart decisions. All right, let's wrap this up. So, there you have it. AI crypto in simple terms. It's the exciting combination of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, creating smarter, more powerful digital systems. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.